Code Coach, talking about remediation work. All right, so a lot of this is existing. Notice here they're replacing load-bearing members, what have you, replacing gussets. But I want you to know the other issues that they have here, a lot of existing fire blocking conditions and whatnot. Whenever that's the case, and these systems that are in components that are been covered and now you're exposing the work, well, the problem is the new work now has to be brought up to, any new work has to be brought up to current code, and the existing work has to be brought up to current code, current standards. So when you're doing remediation work, get into water damage, what have you, you really got to be mindful of that you say, well, a lot of this is existing, but like I say, you can't conceal bad work because your scope of work is only certain things, like laps here, top plate's not sealed, dry rot, what have you, loads not being transferred down. So again, be mindful of that when you're looking at any kind of existing work.